Alright, what's new? Today's round, playing again in Philippine Navy. Playing the first hole, which is 471 yards. So I'm playing with, we're playing a foursome. Playing with Lee and his June Golf son, si Jacob. Tapos si Doy. So we're playing, kami ni Doy, ako, and si Lee. We're playing putting Olympics. So I think alam niyo naman na yung putting Olympics. So we're playing 20 pesos per point. For like, comment, and subscribe if you like mga content like this, especially the putting Olympics. Maybe you can also comment sino sa tingin nyo ang mananalo sa putting Olympics this morning. Right, so see you in the fairways. Slight. Good shot. Just a little right. Favor, bro. Ganda. Shot. Okay, 230 yards, 220 plus. Hitting a hybrid.
Nice shot. Dumiretso. Oo, bumuka sir konti.
Nako. O kanan. Diretso na. Okay, 36 yards to the flag. Tirang 30. Subukan ko inip. Jacob. Around 75 yards to the flag. Go. Little short. Good shot. So for Olympics, most likely si Lee would be for 3 points. Tingnan natin kung 2 or 1 ako. I'm putting for birdie. 5 paces. Right to left ba tayo, be? Okay, Doy for 1 point. Good shot, brother. Okay. 3 points si Lee, ako 2. Doy for 1 point. Tumaliwa eh. Kabig ka agad. Ay, kumaliwa. Good. Parang lamya eh, no?
Oh, walang point, no?
Walang puwersa.
Walang point, no?
Mr. Raimundo for 1 point to take the lead sa Olympics. Good, but 1 point. Okay. Putting Olympics na update. Doy is leading. 1, no, none for me and Lee. So playing the second hole. 447 yards. Dogleg left. Ano yun, brother?
Nice shot. Nice, bro.
Good shot, brother. Ganda. Perfect cut. Good cut. Good shot. Good shot. Beauty. Okay. Update. Si Lee and also Jacob. Si Jacob will join us na. Oh, Jacob, you'll join us ano sa Olympics? Okay. So 20 pesos per point. But Lee,
he's paying.
his dad will pay now. 20 pesos per point. So it's going to be putting Olympics for 4 people now, for 4 players. Okay, so currently si Doy is leading 1 point. So kaming tatlo, none yet. Okay, good luck to everyone. Comment kung magkano yung babayad namin kay Jacob later. Okay, good luck. That was a decent drive. I'm left with 160 yards to the flag. Medyo matalbog naman yung fairway. So I'm hitting a 9 iron. Hopefully it bounces. Or at least hopefully it goes straight. Hitting a 9 iron. Hindi na naman nag-draw. Este Raimundo, around 60 yards to the flag. Ganda. Bite. Babite yan. 48 degrees mo yan eh. Babite yan eh. Bite. Lakas lang. Bite. Okay. The putting. Hindi, wala pa. Wala pa. Hindi pa natin alam kung sino 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, technically 4, 3, 2. Hopefully, pa 1 na to. Kaliwa. Gano'ng kalaki bigay mo? Kahit bigay mo target, please. Okay. Ulam. Tara.
Wop.
For 1 point. So Jacob was for 4. Lee for 3. Ako 2. Ay, si Doy 2. Layo.
Set.
Gave it too much respect. For 2 points ka, Doy. Okay, Doy to take a 3-point lead for 2 points. Ganda! Kuha na naman! Uy! Okay na yan? That's good, that's good. Ako na-push ko.
Push sir, push.
Na-push ko. No?
Push sir.
Na-push ko. He has a point so far. Hole number 3, playing 183 yards. Hitting a 6 iron. One time. Right. Ay, right.
Ganda.
Uy, Shanky. Good shot. Sayang, ang ganda ng linya na sana, no? Stop, bite. For birdie, 12 paces. Left to right. Diyan? Ano target? Yun yung target mo? Halos isang grip?
Kalahati lang sir.
Kalahating grip sa kaliwa.
Magkaanong konti sa dulo eh.
Tapos paakyat.
Medyo mabagal yan sir.
Okay. Ganda, Doy. Good shot. Uy, lakas 4-4. Ang 4 points, 3 si Lee, 2 si Jacob, 1 ka. Okay. Lee for 3 points. Hina naman. Sobrang hina. Jacob for 2 points. Uy, sayang. 2 points sana. Ikaw na lang may chance, Doy, for 1 point. To go 2 points. Nice putt. 2 points. So 2, kaming 3, 0 pa. Okay. Moving on to hole number 4. Good shot. Okay lang. Just right of the fairway. Good shot. Mama sa puno ang aking tee shot. Went back to the fairway. 120 yards to the flag. Try to go over it with a 56-degree wedge.
Nice shot. Pabot. Nice shot. umakit sir.
Na konti.
Okay lang. Pero pwede na.
2 points pa ako. That's good brother. Nice shot. Paborito mo na talaga yung 48 na yan ha. 48 ba yan? Hindi. 52. That's good. Okay. Mahina. Okay. 3 points yan. Okay, for 4 points. Mahina rin. Sobrang hina.
Nice spot. Nice par.
Thank you. Hole number 5, playing 130 yards. Hitting pitching.
Draw.
Oh.
Nice shot.
Anong bigay mo? Tingnan mo. Konting kaliwa. Kanan pa rin. Dito mabali. Kasi yung damo rin pa kaliwa eh, no? Mga gaano kalaki sa kanan. Olympian ah! Fringe.
Labas butas lang siguro sa akin.
Labas butas lang sa kanan.
Tapos medyo mabagal pagdating dun sa
+1.
kulang yan.
Ako pa rin yan. Pumali ka agad. Balik!
Uy!
Ay, sayang. Lakas. Kulang pa pala. Hindi rin tumama sa sweet spot. Mahina. That is for 2 points CD. Wala. Okay.
War!
Nice shot.
Uy. Stay.
Nice shot.
Balik!
Landed right off the hole. We'll try to go for it pero I can't be aggressive kasi nandito yung puno. Nandito rin yung pin. So I'll try aiming for the word the. 110 yards.
Uy!
Masyadong fade. Sobra. Hoy!
Bite! Lakas yun, sir.
6 yards to the flag. Try to nip it with a 56-degree wedge. Ay, kumaliwa. Kumanan ka.
Uy, sakto lang. Hop!
Olympian! Okay, doy. Anak, malakas.
Hindi, sayang dumaan.
2 points pa rin. That's good. Na-push na naman.
Push pa rin. Lusot! Lusot dyan. Uy, parang lusot. Oh.
Subukan ulit natin pa-fade. Sige, practice eh, no? Subok.
Uy. Nice shot.
Ay, nag-fade.
Nipis lang.
45 yards to the flag. Right to left. Kailangan itong pabaitin, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Mabait yan. Ramdam ko yung balik. Ramdam kong kumagat sa mukha. Okay, I'm putting for par 6 paces. Kaliwa to, pare ko yun, no? Isang grip pa yan? So currently 4 points sili, 3 ako, 2 ka so far. Bite. Tama na. Bilis talaga ng green. Tama na.
Kala ko ba mabagal?
Hindi, mabilis to. Tsaka downhill bro eh. Okay.
Just counted as
but it's not, yes. Parang you're outside pa the points. The Olympics.
5 yan.
5 points yan.
5 points, 5
Pero
points.
technically, hindi ka pa pat.
Malakas yun.
Jacob for 5 points. Lakas din. Uy! Almost 5 points. So that putt is for 1 point. So sa'yo, Doy, 2. 4-2. Walakas din. That's good, brother. Uy! Jacob for 1 point. Sayang. Too strong. 8th hole. Playing 142 yards against the wind. Might hit a 9 iron siguro. Behind.
Thank you.
Parang tampal.
Sakto yan. All in one. All in one yan. Uy, parang lumagpas pa nga eh.
Medyo, parang umaangat ako ng konti, no? Bilis nga, ano? Ay, so, puliwa ka agad. 4 points si Jacob. Sino sa'yo? 3. 2 si Lee, 1 ako. Ah, hindi kailangan ano yan. Wow! Kuha! 4 points! Ay! Sayang. Hindi Ay! Ganda ng Take it, brother. For 2 points. Yun! Ay! Bumali. Oo nga, parang pwede ng right in.
Nice spot.
3 points. Ganda. Huwag ka lang umabot.
Draw. Nice shot.
Okay, sec.
Hindi naman siya draw, wag lang kaagad.
Sa bagay. 200. Sa bagay, pwede diretso na lang, ano? Subok kung diretso. 230 hitting my 3 wood.
Okay lang. Fairway pa rin yan.
Sana ng bunker. Okay.
Safe.
Kuling ah. Ah, yun lang. Okay. Good shot, brother. Good shot, Doy. Okay, left with 47 yards to the flag. Sige, practicein natin. Pabait natin ng tirang mga 45. Doon sa... Ay, masyadong mahina.
Go!
Yan.
Na baby.
Mas mga gano'ng kalaki sa kaliwa bigay mo dito? Yung malaking bilog?
Oo.
Gitna nun?
Oo.
Mabagal ano? Tapos bibilis pa po.
Oo.
Ako malakas yata.
Lakas.
Ah, hindi bumali. Mahina, Luigi! Ay, ay, ay. Ano ba yan?
Baby.
Walang kalaylay. Walang ka-power. Hole number 10. Playing 143 yards. No wind. Draw! Parang bunker.
Fight! Yun. Ay, tama na. Makyat.
Batting for birdie. 12 paces. Gawin kong tirang 13, no? 13, diretso na.
Siguradong aabot. Patay, yari.
Mahina! Iwan na lang natin. Doi putting for 3 points. Si Lee putting for 2. Jacob for 1. Wala na ako. Uy! Nakita mo yung sa akin kaya nilaksa mo konti na. Alam na this. Jacob for 1 point. Okay.
Diniretso mo, sir?
Parang kulang yung bigay ko. Parang kulang yung basa natin.
Ayos lang.
Okay, playing 125 yards. No wind. Hitting a 50-degree wedge.
Go! Sakto lang yan.
Lee for 4 points. 3 points pa pala ako. 3 points ako. Ay, Olympics ate. For 2, 1 point Kadoy. Ano ba? Uy, sayang. That's good, that's good. Ay! Pati pala dinagdagan ko pa kasi dito ko nilagay eh.
Sakto na yung 1 cup pala. Oo.
So, Olympics 3 points ako and 3 points si Doy. No points yet for Jacob and Lee. Oy, grabe. Yun, maganda rin tama. Ay, kumaliwa lang. Huwag kang babounce. Ay, ay, ay.
Draw!
Dapat 9.
May
Kaliwa. Okay, 14 yards.
kulang lang.
Okay, Olympics. Lee is putting for 4 points. Si Jacob is putting for 3. Doy is putting for 2. Ako for 1. And for par. Hina pa rin. Parang ang laki ng... Pasok! 3 points! Okay. 3 points, 3 points. Si Lee na lang. Good putt, Jacob. Uy, kumaliwa. Ay, isang bola lang. Nakakuha rin.
Nice putt.
Nakaisa rin. Putting Olympics update. Currently, I'm 4 points. Tapos both Doy and Doy and Jacob are 3 points. Si Lee 0 pa. So playing the 13th hole, the par 5. Hole 13, par 5. Parang pasampal lang ng konti, brother eh. Four! For left! Left with 155 yards to the flag against the wind.
Hindi ka makaisa bukas.
Hitting an 8 iron.
Draw! Ay, bakit draw? Paid pala.
Right, kick right! May bunker ba? Kaliwa? Kaliwa lang ng bunker?
Kanan yata sir ng bangka.
Ay, kanan pala ng bunker. Landed over the green. Matigas yung fairway. So it's 30 yards to the flag. Nakikita mo yung square na yan, yung mga Diyan ko papabagsakin, di ba? O medyo kanan pa.
Sakto lang yan, sir.
Sakto na dun, ano? Mabilis. Okay. Subok. Subok kung magagawa.
Uy. Sakto yan.
Baba! Sige pa! Please!
Pasok mo na.
Okay, birdie. Doy for... Yung may target mo. Doy 4 points. Sino 3 sa inyo ate? Set 3, 2, tas ako 1. 1 for birdie. Left inside na.
Wala yung puntos namin, sir.
Okay, Doy for 4 points. Naku, lakas brother.
Sir.
Napitik. 4 points ka pa rin dun. Mas malayo ka pa rin eh. Ang hina, paket.
Mas malayo pa yung tinanggal.
2 points. Kabig.
Uli.
Draw! Parang dun yung pathrow out mo, brother. Over naman ulit ng bunker. Para naman. Second shot, hitting a 6 iron. Hindi mo siguro sasabit sa puno to.
Ay, hindi na yan, sir. Siguradong likod na carry niyan.
Kahapon bro, nandun pa ako. Lagpas ko yung 200 eh. Pero masaya na ako at hindi na nagsaslide na matindi.
Draw. Yun, perfect. Sakto yan, for the eagle. Uy, putik sumabit.
Sumabit ba?
Tumunog eh.
Talaga ba? Pero parang diretso, kanan, kaliwa. Counting kanan ano, ha? 50. 50 to the flag. Sabi ko na yun naman eh. Hindi talaga pwedeng dibutan dito. Kailangan clean talaga. Iniisip ko na yun kanina eh. Hindi talaga pwedeng ano. Sabi, iniisip ko na kanina hindi pwedeng.
Lambot, sir, eh, no?
Iniiwasan ko. Tunod ulat! Ano ba yun? 4 par and 4 points. Plus 1?
Plus 1, sir. Malayo eh. Uy.
Bali.
Ganun.
Tayo na tayo dyan.
Gasahing yung drive eh, no?
Choco beam.
Dalawang choco beam.
Dalawang choco beam. Okay, 4. Salamat. Sakit ng choco beam na. Ay, naka. Bawi, bawi. Okay, for 3 points. So, itutuloy ang Olympics. I'm 5-3-3-0. There you go. Sayang. That's good.
Ayaw talaga?
Ayaw talaga. Mark daw, mark. Ganda. Beauty. Nice shot. So may before ng bunker yun? Or nasa around ng bunker? Eesh.
Ay! Dakok. Obi.
Ano ako?
Robbie.
Hindi, OB na.
Obi na.
Third shot.
Yun. Nice shot.
Thank you.
Bumag.
For my fourth shot, playing 100, almost 180.
Uy!
Sobrang bro. Dapat talaga face. Very difficult up and down for bogey. 20 yards to the flag. Tirang mga 13. Sa fringe ang bagsak dapat. Subukan inip.
Kyat!
Ay, mahina lang.
Paaga lang.
Dun mga 1 foot sana. Ano kung
Oo. Yari. Uy, konting-konti lang oh.
date sa Olympics. I'm currently 5 points. Si Doy is 4. Si Jacob is 3. So hole number 16 hitting a 56-degree wedge.
Abo. Sige pa.
Ayan na.
Sige pa.
Ay. Kuha ang 1 point. Hindi, Olympics eh. Sa labas pa. Sobra. Sa Marines mo tinarget eh. Sa letter S ng Marines. Nag-cut. Sobra. Doy just made a par and 1 point. So he's now 5. Okay, for birdie. And para so far 4 points tayo, no? O mas malayo ba to?
Malayo.
So 3 tayo. 3 points. May plus ba tayo? Wala.
Parang ano yata.
Plus 1 sa lakas? O regular lang?
Malayo tayo dyan.
Go Jacob, that's for 2 points. Nice putt. So 2 points. So I am 6. Both of you and Doy are 5. Si Dadmo is still none. Come on, 200,000 pesos. Playing 178 yards. Hitting a 7 iron. Subukan natin pakat.
Yari ka. All in one mo. Sige lang. 1 time lang, baby.
Sobra! 8. Dapat nga 8. Ang ganda ng linya.
Ganda ng linya.
Hindi, nandun lang, sir.
Ah, andun lang.
Nandun lang sa green.
Sa likod, patong pero over.
Nandun lang, oh.
Pwede nga i-8.
Carry likod.
Sayang. 4! Ayan, nag-turn pala. Okay lang, nag-turn. Yan ang maganda rin, Doy. I-carry mo lang. Carry mo! Bangkarote. Malakas pa rin.
Grabe naman bat mo, sir.
Malakas. Nilabas pa ulit. 4 points pa siya. 4, 3, 2. Sino mas malayo sa atin, Dong? Mas malayo ka? 2 points ako. 2. 3 ka. Jacob for 5 points. Mahina. Okay, so Lee for 4 points. Kulang. Ganda naman ng putt na yun. Parang pwede nga doon sa marker na binigay ko. Dati ko na dinagdag yan.
Sabi sa'yo, sir, eh. Hindi masyado malaki ibabali.
Dito ko pa rin niliyo. Dinagdagan ko pa pala ng konti.
Iba yung ano sa kanila, eh.
For 1 point, wala. Pulled. Okay, so Olympics, 6.550 pa rin.
Bye.
Going for it around 225 yards to the flag. Let's try to draw a 4 iron.
Nice shot.
Balik.
Left pin take away, right pin pabalo. Yard, 34 yards to the pin. Left to right. I will nip it.
Malakas pati.
Gusto konti. Hey! Good shot. Almost 5 points yun ah. 100 sana sa yun. Okay, for 5 points. Kulang sa kaliwa, aim. Doy for 4 points. Ako for 3. 3 points pala to. 2 points si Lee, 1 point si Jacob.
Parang diretso lang.
Tingnan natin. 4 points! Oh, diretso na. Double break.
Walang bala eh.
Pero mabilis ano?
Oo, mabilis.
Mahina! Dapat dito enough na to. Lay up. Bogey. Sayang! Nice spot, brother. For 2 points. Nice one, at least. Naka-point din, 2 points. So 6, 5, 5. 6 ako, 5 si Doy, 5 si Jacob, 2 ka. So if Jacob makes this, 6 points din siya. Good putt. Okay. 6, 6. 6, 6, 5, 2.
So ako lang magbabayad.
Hindi, magbabayad si Doy kay Jacob ng 20, magbabayad sa akin ng 20. Ikaw magbabayad ka kay Jacob ng hindi,
Ay, 40.
40. Hindi, 80. 80 sa akin, 80 sa kay Jacob. Tapos 60 kay Doy. Nice shot.